Hello, ladies and gents. Today we have a fan. Yeah. Pardon a little bit of noise in the background. Nothing major going on. Spats is to my left. Say hi, honey.
Hello.
He's working on a TV that will be featured in an upcoming video. But what I have here is a green Sears Galaxy Lasco 9-inch fan. It's our first green Sears, by the way. Just wanted to throw that in there. Got it from a thrift store. It was $12.95, but he said, to hell with it. We don't have any green Sears fans at all. So, dropped a dime on it and brought it home. Here's a shot of the bottom if you can see it. It's a Sears model 453.80080. 120 volt, 60 hertz, 0.8 amp. See, I don't understand the date code on there, but it says 13205. Haven't done anything to it except place it on the workbench and plug it in. As you can see, it works fine. Oscillate works fine. And it's in great shape. It's not even dirty. But of course what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it apart, clean it, oil it, grease the transmission or gearbox, whatever you'd like to call it, oscillation mechanism, and we'll be back in a moment. And here is the finished product. Got the grills, the blades, the plastics, got them all clean. Got it oiled really good, and I put some lithium grease in the oscillator mechanism, and it's good to go. So for a quick final demonstration, here is low. And high. And I just love that logo. So yeah, it was in great shape. Just a little minimal cleaning and lubrication, and it's good to go. And we'll get a quick shot of the bottom with the model number. And if anyone can help with that date code, let me know. I'm thinking 85, but I'm not positive on that, so if anyone has any clue, let me know. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next video.